Hey guys, welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the Canon EOS R50 4K video mirrorless camera. If you're considering upgrading your gear, this detailed review will help you understand why the R50 might be the perfect choice for you. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The Canon EOS R50 boasts a sleek and compact design, making it an excellent choice for photographers and videographers on the go. Despite its small size, the camera features a robust build quality, with a comfortable grip that ensures secure handling. The intuitive layout of buttons and dials makes it easy to access essential settings quickly, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the Canon EOS R50 is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, paired with the powerful DIGIC image processor. This combination delivers stunning image quality with excellent detail, vibrant colors, and low noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's impressive dynamic range ensures that both highlights and shadows are well preserved, providing you with greater flexibility in post-processing. Autofocus and speed. One of the standout features of the EOS R50 is its advanced dual-pixel CMOS APS-C system. With 651 autofocus points covering a wide area of the frame, the camera provides fast and accurate focusing, making it ideal for a variety of shooting scenarios. Real-time AF and animal detection AF ensure that your subjects are always in sharp focus, whether you're shooting portraits, action, or wildlife. The EOS R50 can shoot continuously at up to 15 frames per second with the electronic shutter, allowing you to capture fast-moving subjects with ease. This high-speed performance ensures that you never miss a moment of the action. Video capabilities. For videographers, the Canon EOS R50 offers impressive 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, with no crop. This allows you to capture high-quality, detailed footage, making it perfect for a range of video projects, from vlogs to short films. The camera also supports full HD recording at up to 120 frames per second, enabling smooth slow-motion playback. The inclusion of Canon's renowned dual-pixel autofocus in video mode ensures smooth and reliable focusing, even when tracking moving subjects. Additionally, the EOS R50 offers a range of video-centric features, including focus peaking, zebra patterns, and a microphone input, providing you with the tools you need for professional quality video production. Connectivity and features. The Canon EOS R50 is equipped with a comprehensive set of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to transfer images and videos to your smartphone or tablet for instant sharing. The camera also features a USB-C port for fast data transfer and in-camera charging, ensuring that you're always ready to shoot. The high-resolution 2.36 million electronic finder (EVF) provides a clear and detailed view of your scene, while the 3-inch Vari-Angle touchscreen LCD offers flexibility for shooting from a variety of angles. This makes it easy to compose shots from low or high perspectives, as well as for vlogging and selfies. Ergonomics and user experience. The Canon EOS R50 is designed with user experience in mind. The Vari-Angle touchscreen makes navigating menus and adjusting settings straightforward and intuitive. The camera's lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry, ensuring that you're always ready to capture the moment, whether you're traveling, hiking, or shooting on location. Battery life. Battery life is crucial for any photographer or videographer, and the Canon EOS R50 does not disappoint. The camera uses the LPE17 battery, which provides ample power for extended shooting sessions. For those who require even longer battery life, an optional battery grip is available, making the R50 a reliable companion for all-day shooting. Final thoughts. The Canon EOS R50 4K video mirrorless camera is an outstanding choice for both photographers and videographers. Its combination of excellent image quality, advanced autofocus, impressive video capabilities, and compact design makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of creative pursuits. Whether you're capturing stunning photos, recording cinematic video, or vlogging on the go, the EOS R50 delivers exceptional performance that will elevate your work. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.